How to change passenger's name on Air Arabia. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change passenger's name on Air Arabia. So to do so, the first step is to launch the Air Arabia application, just like I've done here. Then on the home page, move to the top right corner where you can see three horizontal lines and click on it. Then on the page displayed, you'll see options like boarding pass, light status, settings, contact us. Just go ahead and click on contact us. And then on this page, the next step or the best solution to this is to click on email us. All right. So for you to be able to change your passenger's name, you'd have to send an email to the customer support of Air Arabia. So, are you making a request? Are you making a complaint? In this case, you're making a request. That is, you're requesting to change the passenger's name. So, select that. Then select your title. Are you a Mister? Are you a Mrs? A Miss? Doctor? A professor? Then select. Type in your first name and last name as it appears in tickets or as it appears in your account. Then enter your reservation number, the category you fall under, the subject of the request, the comment that is you would like to change your passenger's name and all of that. Click on submit and then wait for a while. Within hours, it's supposed to be sent to you, and the procedures of how you can change the passenger's name will be displayed. Another thing you can do that is also effective is by making calls, all right, by reaching out to the call centers. That way you will get a straightforward answer and you would know what you should do in time. So you can also try out the other options, but these are the two most effective ways in changing your passenger's name. So that is it, all right. Thank you very much for watching till the end.